Okay. Next one was Susie was saying, how do you change the shape of a star from a preset shape, I think, to make it not a preset or not symmetrical, I think. So I'll just open a new image. And when you are using the symmetric shape, it has advantages and inconvenience. So the advantage is that once you have your shape, and if it shows the nodes, if you change one node, it's affecting everywhere else. So if I move that one, everything is symmetrical. That's the whole point of the symmetrical tool. Now, if at this point you decide you don't want it too symmetrical, then you have to change it from symmetrical to something else. And you can see in the layers palette, the little star icon means it's symmetrical, but you can change that. Where is it? You have to convert it to path. Is it in here? No, in here. So you go onto your text and you have here convert to path. So now once it's becoming a path, it's not going to have a single node that will be applied everywhere, but it's going to have all individual nodes. So now I have a node here that I can move separate and it won't affect the others. But before it was a path, I had only this one making everything separate. Nope, I didn't go back enough. Notice here the little icon has changed. See? So if I go back to the symmetric, then whatever change I make will affect all the branches. But now that I right click, convert to a path, they are all independent. So for example, if you had another shape, from the symmetric shape to the non-symmetric shape, that's how you do it. And for other things like preset shapes, some are probably already kind of symmetrical, and it's just up to you to move nodes however you want. Now it's just taking a while to load. But if I have a heart, for example, typically some of the shapes are symmetrical. They're just made left, right to be the same, like this one. Whether I want it narrow or wide or what. But I can just go to my shape. No, I don't want that one. You activate your pen tool. It's going to be easier. Right click and convert to path if it's not already. So this one is already, so that's grayed out. So now I can move nodes that I want however I want. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!